Hello friends, I am Harmeet from ThemeHunk.com, and in today's video we are going to learn how we can add a Stripe payment gateway in our WooCommerce website. So friends, today we will going to cover some points to add our Stripe payment gateway. First one is we will register our account in Stripe website, and then we will install Stripe payment gateway plugin in our WordPress dashboard, and then we will get a API key for our website, and we will add those keys in Stripe payment gateway settings in our WordPress dashboard, and then we will check our payment system in our actual sites. So friends, as you can see, this is our big store grocery theme in which we are going to test our Stripe payment gateway system. So friends, before starting video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest notification of my videos. So friends, let's get started with creating a account or registering an account in our Stripe payment gateway. So friends, now we will register our account in our Stripe website, and then we will get API key from it and add it in our WordPress dashboard. So friends, this is the Stripe website. You can go to stripe.com, and this will be the page you will get in your system. And to start, you have to click on the Start Now button, and it will open the registration form for you. You have to just put your email ID, your full name, your country, and create a password, and after that you have to click on the create account page. Friends, I have already registered my account, so I am just going to sign in my account and tell you how you can get the API key. Friends, as soon as you click on the create account page, you will get a email notification from where you have to verify your email address. So this will be the mail you are getting from Stripe. So you have to just click on the verify email address and your account will be verified. So friends, I'm just logging to my account. Friends, this is the dashboard of the Stripe website. You can see this is this dashboard.stripe.com website. You will get this in the very beginning when you log into your Stripe account, and you can see here, you can see this is the publishable key and a secret key. So we have to just copy this key and add it in our WordPress dashboard. So before that, we have to download and install Stripe payment gateway plugin in our dashboard. So just go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins and click on the add new button. Here we will install Stripe payment gateway plugin. So you have to just add Stripe for WooCommerce and hit the enter button. Friends, you have to install WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway plugin. This will work for your WooCommerce website. So click on the install now button. Now our plugin is installed. Now we are going to activate this plugin, and then we will check all the settings in the plugin, and we will add our API keys there. You can see that our WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway plugin is now activated. Now click on the settings, and it will redirect us to the settings page of the plugin. Friends, I am just using our test key here to just check our payment system. For your website, you have to disable this test mode here and add your actual API key in these fields. Go back to your Stripe dashboard page and copy the publishable key. So you have to copy this key and enter your key here. After that, we have to add test secret key. So just reveal the test secret key and copy this key also and add your test secret key here. Now scroll down and click the save changes button. So now our keys are added and saved in our settings. So just go back to our website and hit the refresh button. Now our page is refreshed and I am going to add a product in my cart. Now we will go to our checkout page from here and click on the checkout button. Now when you scroll down the page, you can see our credit card Stripe payment gateway is now activated. User will click on this radio button and add their details of card or expiry date and card code, and they will make payment for their product. Friends, to activate your actual payment gateway in your website to receive your payments in your bank, you have to go to your Stripe dashboard, and here you have to activate your account and add your bank details, your company details to activate it. So these are the details it will be asked you, and then after adding all the details, your account will be activated, and then you can get your actual API key which are going to be used in your website. So when you get your live API key from this link, you will be able to receive your amount in your bank account. Friends, if you have any confusion in this video, then you can comment me. I will help you with that. And if you like my video, then hit the like button. And thanks for watching my video.